Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, shapes drawing and color thing. First color name kids, orange color, pink color, light pink color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, red color. Kids, shapes drawing, black color, cylindrical. Cone, star, cube, down arrow, rhombus. Kids, color field. First color, sky blue color, cylindrical, green color kids, cone, purple color kids, star, brown color kids, cube, light pink color kids, down arrow, orange color kids, rhombus. Kids, shapes name repeat: cylindrical, cone, star, cube, down arrow, rhombus. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.